how I feel about certain design choices with little to no explanation. Yes. Yes. Absolutely not. For me, this one's 50-50. 100% no.
ใส่ทองขับแว่นปะแปนดึงสกอยอุ้ย
Oh my goodness.
Stop it. Love each other.
Are you serious? Bo! Are you kidding me?
Some idiot customer put a suggestion in the suggestion box. Oh my god, they took my idea! It was you!
หัวเราะ
What are you doing? Oh my god. Oh yeah.
That cat gets a breadstick and then died with it.
Yep, they did it again.
Ding dong. Don't flirt with him.
I'm not going to.
Quavo, ready? Help. Go. Got it? That's it. Good boy. Hit it. Hit it, Quavo.
Shark, you hungry?
Hey. This woman, she's trying to fight me. And she's bringing her dog. Like, I need you to be there to get that dog. Like, we gotta go. Come on, we gotta go.
Give your cat the finger and see how they react.
Oh, buddy.
You know, both your dog and cat match. I said, uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Walk down the stairs. No, walk down the stairs. I want to see your walk. Walk. Go. Go down the stairs.
Wingardium Leviosa. Ah!
You're a man without a backbone.
She got a piece of tape stuck on her leg.
Oh, you fucking little shit.
Holy cow, I've got 3 lions.
That was a joke.
Bro, why this dog head so skinny?
Hey! Ciao, man. Sit. Give me a pull. Smile.
Look, see? It's alright. It's all good.
Who's here?
I love you.
You're making me laugh.
Got your booty.
Watch, her ears go like really far back whenever I do like the heavy metal sound.
Why is it spicy?
We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
Just another day, gonna move my car. Oh, what's this? We buy junk. Oh man, what's wrong with my car?
Okay, so this is the banana and this is the apple. Show me the banana.
Show me them legs.
Okay. Anyways, we're getting ready for your photo shoot today. Do you know you're ready? All right. Let me get a smile. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheese.
It's really cute, bye.
No. No. No.
I hear it. I hear it.
Really? I needed to.
Aubrey is like,
No. No. No.
Cannot control me. You cannot. Okay. You can have a little control, but I'm still in charge. I can attack any minute, but you can control for.
get down. Stop. Stop.
Miss, you want your makeup done? Oh, so pretty.
To get those vehicles and get the passengers out of there, or if someone is stranded by water, the National Guard could work coordinated with me. But
Here.
Would you like a treat? Would you like a treat?
I'm playing rock, paper, scissors with my cat. Rock, paper, scissors.
You can do anything you want when you're physically disabled.
Aw, hi little kittens. I thought I could hear you. Holy shit.
There's a fairly large spider on my cat's head.
Winston?
Excuse me, please, we're poor. Please, we had to buy you food. Please, thank you so much.
Please. Please.
Oh my God! Stop this madness. What do you want from me? What do you want? Please!
Huh?
To home for a holiday or to a second home.
Check this.
I'm fast as fluff, boy. Still fast as fluff, boy.
You okay? Oh, the cat. Yeah, she's annoying. Ты, сука, выпутал, что ли? Слушай, она все равно идет.
Absolutely, Mr. Speaker, and it's so important that we should try and get as much.
You want some water? Hey bro, you want some water? Hey bro, you want some water? My bad. Here you go, bro.
Get out of here. There's nothing for you, Max. We can see you. Maxwell!
Я должна блевать.
Help! I can't. No! No!
choice is yours.